This National Realty Company property video is presented by Jenna Hobbs. This new listing is a beautiful home in the desirable Highland Grange subdivision. The home features 4 bedrooms, 2 baths and an upstairs bonus room. This open floor plan has soaring ceilings in the family room, formal dining room and master bedroom. The home has plantation shutters throughout, and a well for the irrigation system. There is great outdoor entertaining space with a relaxing back porch sitting area, and a large patio that all overlooks the second green/fairway of Pine Hills Country Club. There is even a parking pad in the front to accommodate your guests. Call today to set up your appointment. Owner is a licensed GARLC number 268859. For more information, review the details below or contact Jenna Hobbs at 229-273-4132.